Welcome back to the Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. I'm sure it's everyone's favorite channel, especially my lovely babies love it, right? And I'm sure my babies have been following the videos on digraphs and been learning the digraphs with the actions along with reading the words. And if any of you have been missing it, please go back and watch them for sure. It will really help you to read well. Okay, and today I am back with a new digraph. And this digraph is amazing. You know why? Because this one digraph makes two different sounds. Yes, isn't English amazing? First we learned one letter makes one sound. Then we learned two letters together make one sound, which is a digraph. And now one digraph makes two different sounds. So, let's start. I'm going to write a letter. You tell me which letter is this. It's letter O. It's letter O. And O says O. What does O say? O. And now, let's see which digraph is going to come up with O. There are two O's together. See? O and O. So, do you think they are going to say O? O? No. What are they going to say together? Oh, ooh. Oh, ooh. Have you all seen that clock in which the cuckoo comes out and says, oh, ooh. Just like that, these two together make the sound oh and make the sound ooh. What do? They make the sound oh and ooh. So come on, let's all of us do it like a cuckoo clock. Come on. Oh, ooh. Oh, ooh. And today in this video, we are going to do the short ooh sound, which is oh. Yes, we'll put the head in the front and say oh. Okay. So are we ready to read the words? Come on, let's start. What do I have here? We read from this. What is this? What's this? It's a book. So when I say book, can you hear the oh sound? Yes, you're right. So let's write the word book. B. O. K. Yes? What is this? B. O. K. Book. Now let's see which word is going to come out next. What is this lady doing? What do our mamas do also in the kitchen? They cook. What do? Cook. So, cook. Let's write the word together. Which letter says K? Excellent. C. And O. And K. Come on, let's read it together. K. O. K. Cook. Which word is this? Cook. Now let's see what's coming. What's this? What's this? We all have it at the end of our legs. It's a foot. When there are two together, we call it feet. And when it's one, we call it foot. So what is this? This is a foot. Let's write it together. Foot. So what's the first sound? Very good. And then your new digraph. Oh. So, oh and t. Foot. So let's read it. Oh, t, foot. And one last word. See, we see people knitting, mama, grandma. They knit. Yes? So what do they knit? They knit the wool. What is this? Wool. So when we say wool, can you hear the oh sound? Yes. Wool. Let's write it. Wool. And let's read it together. Wool. Yes. So which digraph is this? O. O and O. And how many sounds do they make? Two sounds. O. Ooh. So today which one have we learned? We've learned the short one, which is O. Okay? So let's read b-o-k, book, k-o-k, cook, f-o-t, foot, w-o-l, wool. So if you all have learnt this digraph well, please continue reading and make sure you all like, share and subscribe. And in the next video, we will learn the long oo sound. Okay? So see you soon. Bye.